I'm representing le youth yonke ledlala kulama league under Hapu ma 17. Sithandza kubonga sibo coach ne management yonke yema leagues. Timbo lesendelwe ngabdona as youth usifundzisile labamfana ukuthi baphatha njani, basendele ama workshops together bana hoho, basendele nama coaching clinics, and the kids are very excited ngala maliki lawa. Kushaya Tuesday babe sebakufuna ifixture ya Saturday ukuthi khamba njani. Such that baze bajike ngisho lina uba sebuka wena hayi namhlaliyana, but they come in numbers and bana le dream le nto wangihappy ukuthi lokufisa ukugcoka le medal yaba motivator kakhulu. Let alone imedia laba sebayithola masebete Chamber of Champions eMbabane, they get ukuthi babe professional at very low level, because thina nje ezema CCs mabadlala masaqhamuka nesikibha esiyelo underneath lesi green sibana ukuthi akusika njena kuphela siqala lalo kuba professional, which means sibonga kakhulu nje ekhapho ukuthi athatha indzaba yemntwana wemfana ngoba live lonke linake egirl child whereby umfana uyasalela ngephandle. To the youth lesidlalisako, I can say ukuthi mina nje under my league engaba kude umfana lo bhemako lo under 17, kude umfana lo natsako, which means bayagqogqeka labamfana. Nami as a mother ngiphinze ngithathe lenzima yokuthi ngimfundzise lo mfana so umfana wenta so mangabe sekucela sokuthi uyabona sekunenfombadanyana sithi nayi distraction akube ibhola. Siyabonga nje ukusponsor siqhubeke, umfana wemfana uyi future, is a husband, siyakha iseseyincane, is a future leader of the country. So siyabonga kakhulu na kusponsor ne media kuta isisekele nale makhaya iyakhwala ukuzivumbulula Hapu sisibuye sesitofika la Mbabane sikhanze ama building lamahle bamfana bajabule bashuthe kubuye kube kuhle. Nami ngafika ePrince of Wales. Siyabonga kakhulu kusponsor naho ukubambisana nesponsor. Thank you.